detail. In the Meghalaya Assembly election, hosts of star campaigners and senior leaders of different political parties are addressing public meetings and rallies. Senior BJP leader and Union Home Minister Amit Shah addressed a public meeting in Garo Badha in West Garo Hills. Shah reiterated that BJP is committed to giving corruption-free and transparent governance in Meghalaya. He said Meghalaya is in bad condition due to misrule and corruption of the NPP government. Shah said if voted to power, BJP will institute an investigation of all corruption cases by a commission headed by a retired judge of the Supreme Court. The BJP leader alleged that both Conrad K. Sangma and Mukul Sangma have failed to fulfill the expectations of the people of Meghalaya. The Union Minister said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has established peace and tranquility in the northeast, executing successful dialogue with militant and extremist groups.
मोदी जी की भेजी हुई सुविधाएं आप तक पहुंचती नहीं है। एक बार सरकार बदल दो, सारी की सारी सुविधाएं आप लोगों तक पहुंच जाएगी। मित्रों,
In their attempt to make